into the place, a spot you from a ways. My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, the flat was on your face. And then I'm from the 80s. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel.
You know how we get it, you know how we do it, it's a spluh. We ain't playing no games, it's a spluh. We ain't playing out here, it's a spluh. We ain't playing no games, yeah. You know how we get it, you know how we do it, it's a spluh.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Explansia. If you're new to this channel, welcome, and if you're not new, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing fine. So I haven't posted videos in a long time. It's been 3 weeks and I've been busy. That's because I've been doing some schoolwork. We need to grab the bag, secure the degree. Then secure the bag, grab the degree. I don't know. But now that thesis is done, that chapter is closed. We've completely forgotten about thesis now. I need to continue posting YouTube content. And thank you guys for staying tuned for the time that I was away. I really love you guys. Your support means so much to me. Today is the 28th of May and today it's my friend's belated birthday celebration. We're just going to have some party and just have some fun. His birthday was on the 25th. His name is Tanaka. Happy belated birthday, Tanaka. I know you're watching this. So yeah, today I just plan on running some errands. I have stuff that I need to collect. I bought some stuff online. I need to install my wig. I'm going to be doing my own hair. I wanted to do my fingernails and my toenails, but then I'm just going to do my toenails because I don't want to destroy my fingernails while I'll be installing my wig with the glue. I don't know if you guys understand. So I'll just do my toenails and then I'll do my fingernails when graduation will be approaching. I hope you guys are going to love this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let's continue. Support me with my channel. Guys, so I just got back from Sina and I've collected my parcels, which are the mousse and the got to be glue hairspray. So right now I think I'm going to start doing my hair. Right now I'm going to try to install my hair. I'm not a pro, I'm learning, so whatever I do I'll just go with the flow, but I'll make sure it looks nice at least. So yeah, I'll be doing my nails at 5:30 p.m. and right now it's 2 p.m. 2 something. So I'm planning to finish before 5 and then go and do my nails. I'm not doing my fingernails, I'm doing my toenails. So yeah, let's get started and look.
process all this emotion. Tried to tell her, but she probably didn't notice. She say she ain't got nobody. I said, baby girl, you're wrong. She say she ain't got no purpose. I say, what you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on? Girl, you're wrong. What you on? Shawty was a big wow. Over, under, through her, none of that at all.
Okay, so I got back at 18:30. Right now I just want to like do my makeup. I'm from bathing and dress up. I'm kind of rushing. I don't usually do my eyebrows because I like how my eyebrows look, so I'll just brush them a bit. And yeah, so catch you guys later. Ciao.
Louisa.
Daughter,